morning guys, I hope you're all well. Welcome back to my channel. I'm just getting ready to do the school run, but I thought I'd quickly pop on here before I go just to let you know that this video is going to be a cleaning my living room video. So I'm going to be spring cleaning my living room because there's lots to get on with in there. Vinny's birthday was a couple of weeks ago, so we've got cards everywhere, we've got toys everywhere, and it's just a bit of a mess. So if you want to see how I spring clean my living room, then just keep watching. Okay, so I've written a little list of jobs that I want to get done in the living room, and I also have my little pink cleaning caddy with all the products that I'm going to need. The cleaning caddy that I've got here, this is from Home Bargains, and I just love it because it's so small and cute and it fits all the products that I need in there. So yeah, love it. So cute. Before I get started, I thought it would be quite nice to show you what is actually in my cleaning caddy. So the products that I'm going to use whilst I clean my living room today. So we've got some Pledge multi-surface. I'm just going to use this on like the windowsill and things like that. So I've got that one. I've also got some glass cleaner. This is just one that my mum got me and I've been using it for ages now and it's really good. So it's a smear-free glass cleaner. I've also got some Method antibacterial spray. This is in the wild rhubarb scent, which I absolutely love. It's my favourite one. There is a new one out at the moment. I haven't tried it yet, but if you've tried it, let me know what you think of it because I want to give that a go. I've also got a pink microfiber cloth. I've got some Dettol cleansing surface wipes, which I'm going to use to clean the skirting boards. And then I've got this little gadget to clean my shutters. So let's get started. Okay, so this is how the living room is currently looking. I've got a poorly Renzo. Renzo's not feeling very well, are you today? Got a bit of a cold, bless him. And there's just stuff everywhere, look, can you see? Oh, do you want a cuddle? Cuddle, you alright? You want a cuddle? Come here then. I'm just going to wait for him to settle a bit and then I will start cleaning. This is what the other side of the room looks like. So there's still toys out from this morning. We've got lots of cards up here which were really lovely for Vinny's birthday, but his birthday's done now. His birthday is done now, so I'm going to get rid of those and tidy up and clean. We've got overflowing toys, so I need to declutter those and organise them a little bit. Clothes everywhere, the usual. And yeah, just stuff everywhere, so let's just get started, shall we? Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is just fold up this blanket. Vinny gets this out every morning to put on him just to keep him nice and warm. So I'm just folding that away and popping it into the blanket basket. And now I'm going to put away all of the Duplo. Renzo actually emptied this right next to the sofa this morning. So it's gone all under the footstool. So I'm just trying to find every little piece and putting it back in the bag where I can zip it up and put it away. So now those are all away, I'm just going to gather any clothing items that I can find. The boys just take their clothes off and throw them anywhere in this room, so I'm just looking everywhere I can to find any piece of clothing item. I'm going to put them in one pile ready to go into the kitchen so I can sort them out for laundry later on. So I'm just gathering everything and putting them in a pile. Now I'm going to remove all of the cards from the windowsill just to clear it all up, and I'm also going to get rid of the balloon as well. I'm going to put that in Vinny's room later on for him, and I'm going to give this windowsill a polish using my polish and microfiber cloth. It just looks so much better already. The window, I can see it again, thankfully. Now I'm going to sort out the chair. This blanket always gets so messed up on this chair, so I'm just folding it up again nice and neatly, and I'm going to put the pillow back on and also the rug. I'm also just going to grab the lids for the ottoman boxes that you see there, so the toy boxes. This will just go on top so you can't see any of the toys. We don't actually keep these on the toy boxes very often because the kids just like to sit on top and Renzo will then stand up and touch the shutters, so I don't really keep them out, but when it's just me I like to put the lids on because I like to hide all of the toys away. As you can see, Renzo's joining me now and he loves these lids, he likes to play with them. I'm going to sort out the toys now just to reorganise a little bit, try and get rid of anything that we don't really need down here because we've got some books and things like that that can go in Vinny's room. Also, I'm going to organise some extra toys to go in Renzo's room because we don't need everything down here, so I'm going to pop them in this little storage box that I got from Home Bargains. Now I'm going to clear the fireplace of all of the cards and also get rid of any rubbish that is left behind the cards because sometimes we just leave rubbish up there, so I'm getting rid of that, chucking that in the bin. Current situation, Renzo's trying to use this as a slide. These are the lids for my toy boxes. Whatever makes him happy. Is that fun? No. Is it fun? Wee, yeah, like a slide. Oh, be careful. Vinny put this down here in a safe place because he got this from his friend Alexa for his birthday. So cute. I'm going to pop it in here because I'm going to put it upstairs in his bedroom, and I'm going to take this box upstairs in a minute. Okay, so the next job, let's sort out this sofa. So I'm going to replump all of the cushions. I'm going to get rid of those yellow cushions because I do not like that colour. I need to get some new cushion covers for those. And I'm just going to replump everything. I'm not doing anything else to the sofa today. We're actually getting a new sofa soon. This one, as you'll probably know, is brand new anyway. We've only had it literally since just before Christmas. But unfortunately, the fabric on this has bobbled. And I'm really, really gutted because we actually got this fabric because we had it on our previous sofa and we were absolutely fine with it and we loved it. But sadly, on this sofa, that is not the case. So we went back to where we bought it from and they have agreed to exchange it for us. So we're getting exactly the same sofa, but just a different fabric. So fingers crossed it works out fine. And I'm looking forward to trying the new fabric because we've got a different colour, it's slightly lighter. Now I'm just going to clean the shutters. As you can see, I've got my little gadget here that I got from Poundland and I really like using it. It's much easier for me. I've got arthritis in my hand, so I just find it much easier and quicker to use. And yeah, I'm just going to clean the shutters now. And I'm also going to do some dusting, so I've just got some polish here and I'm going to clean the windowsill because obviously we've had all of the cards up, so I haven't been able to clean the area for a little while. So I'm going to polish all of that and make sure it's nice and clean. I'm doing the same on the fireplace area, so I'm using the polish just on the fireplace and I'll use glass cleaner later on the glass section of the fireplace. But yeah, I'm just popping everything back now. It's so much nicer and clearer. I like that a lot. And now I'm just going to clear this little console table. The console table itself is from Wayfair. They have so many lovely furniture bits on there and they're really affordable too, which I love. So I'm just going to clear everything here, give it a little polish and then pop everything back. So now I'm going to use my glass cleaner and I'm just going to clean the TV stand and also the skybox. I'm just using the glass cleaner for all of this, but I didn't actually end up using my method spray because I didn't need to. There's not really that much furniture in here or things that I need to use the method spray on, I guess. So I'm just going to clean this and then we'll be done. And now I'm going to use the Dettol wipes and just clean the skirting boards a little. This is not something that I do every time, but I just thought I would do it today as I'm doing a little spring clean. I'm also just going to take these toys upstairs and also the potty because we don't need that right now. This baby's getting a workout now. Look how hot he is. What are you doing? You're crazy.
No.
We need to put these on top of the toy boxes in a minute.
No.
Yeah. They do. They need to go over there.
No.
Okay, you play on them for a little bit longer. I'm now going to use the glass cleaner on the glass section of my fireplace just to get rid of any smears and dust. And Renzo's just getting a little workout before his nap time, so this is actually tiring him out, which is good. He's just using it as a slide, as you can see. Bless him, he's so cute. But my gosh, he's got a bit of a cold at the moment, so he's got a runny nose and he's a little bit grumpy, but he seems happy at the moment. He's actually in bed now, so what I'm doing is I'm just popping those lids on the toy boxes whilst he naps. He probably won't last on there for very long, but it looks nice for now. And I'm also going to give the room a little hoover as well with my Shark hoover. This is the Shark cordless hoover, which I absolutely love. It's so good, guys. You keep asking me if it's good and I adore it. I prefer it to my Dyson one so much. The suction is much better and the batteries last longer because you've got 2 batteries, which is ideal. Now doesn't that look so much better? Oh my gosh, so much more relaxing. I'm really going to enjoy the rest of Renzo's nap right now and have a cup of tea. I just love how the room looks when it's all clean and tidy. Those toys are away finally and it just looks so pretty. So that is the end of the video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and let me know what room you'd like to see me clean next. Thanks, guys. Bye.